Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my video. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my Vernon Francois product review. Okay, the sun is coming in real funky light, so you just gonna have to bear with me. I'm sorry guys, it's just how it is. It's about 5:11 in the evening, and we're gonna get this out the way. So if you guys want to know how I feel about these products that I picked up from Sephora some time ago that I'm just getting around to using, stay tuned. Okay, well, as you guys saw in the video linked up here, I went to, actually Sephora. I think it was like VIB. Why is it I keep thinking it was I think it was November's VIB? I can't even remember when I bought this stuff. I bought them a while back. And I went on picked up some products from the Sephora. And I was like, okay, I got to use these products. I got a stash over here full of products that really, really, really I need to get to. And I'm trying to get to them as quickly as possible. But life is really, really kicking my ass right now. So let's get on with the get on. I picked up 3 pieces from Vernon Francois. First piece I picked up was the Pure Fro shampoo for afro hair. It is an 8.4 fluid ounce bottle, and it says it's for moisturizing, strengthen, and grow. Let's see. Do we have any claims on the back? Nah, no claims. He has a saying, but we're not even going to go into all of that. So, as you guys know, I am going to talk about how I feel about the whole line at the end. So, this video doesn't run too long. The next product that I picked up was the Pure Fro conditioner for afro hair also. Moisturize, strengthen, and grow. That's what it says on the bottle. The bottle is a 6.7 fluid ounce. It is the weirdest bottle ever. It is weird to hold. But the sprayer, we'll get into that too. But I have this much left, and I've been using this for a month. So that shows you I use a lot of conditioner. And the last thing that I used was the styling cream. And this is for all hair types. Let's say it says embrace your kinks and curls. This is an 8.5 fluid ounce bottle right here that I picked up from the Sephora. That is in the order that I used it. In between the conditioner and the styler, I used my deep conditioner from Shea Moisture, which is the high porosity deep conditioner. For oil, I use the Camille Rose Herbal Tea Seal and Soften oil. Finally, you guys get to see the bottle. I don't think I've shown the bottle yet, and I've been talking about it for like, I don't know, a month, 2 months, whatever. And for my leave-in conditioner, I use the Albatross lemongrass leave-in. I actually grabbed everything this morning before I left for work, put it in here so I could show it on freaking camera, so I could take all my pictures and do everything I need to do. So how did I feel about these products? How did I feel about these products? Well, let me tell you how I felt. Try not to yell. My microphone's sitting right here. Okay, let's start with the shampoo. Let's see. The shampoo smells like an old men's cologne. Let's start there. Smells like old men's cologne. Cheap men's cologne. I did not like the smell of it. But it worked. The shampoo worked pretty well. It wasn't, I've had better shampoos. It got my scalp pretty clean, and it did moisturize my hair too. So my hair wasn't like, it didn't feel overly stripped afterwards. So that's one good thing about it. It wasn't, like I said, it wasn't my favorite shampoo, but I've used other shampoos in the past that were better. The rinse out conditioner. The rinse out conditioner was okay at best. Oh my God. It did moisturize my hair, but it wasn't like, oh my God, my hair is wonderful. It didn't do that for me. It was okay. It was just okay for me. like better. I think, let me try to, there we go. This is better. I could have, I don't know, I could have used a different rinse out conditioner, I think. And I think it probably would have worked out better. And then we get to the styler, which I have this much styler left after a month. My hair right now, and I'm going to let the sun show my hair. I co-washed my hair 2 days ago. I co-washed my hair on Tuesday. No, I'm sorry. I co-washed my hair Wednesday. Today is Friday. So this is technically day 2 hair. My day 2 looks like day 3, 4. One of the good things about my hair is that it's very soft. It feels very moisturized, but it is not, I don't know. I kind of want it, you know how how I feel about my hair. You all know I do like using creams. I do like using gels. I do like my hair better with a gel sometimes, especially at this length. My hair looks better using a gel. But creams do not do very badly on my hair, but this cream was okay at best. I think that's the best way to describe it. I could have fared better. I think the hold is where my problem was. It wasn't a lot of hold because my roots are already just sleeping on my hair. I wake up and I just fluff my hair and my hair looks like it's later on. It doesn't look like a day 2 hair. It's already bigger than I want it to be. And I'm not overly satisfied with that, but I don't hate it. That is probably the best way I can say it. For the price point, I expected better. I have all the links to each piece will be below. And as you all know, I picked all this up at Sephora on a sale. But I really, really, really wish it worked better. I'm just going to flat out say it. If it wasn't for my deep conditioner, some weeks, and I didn't deep condition every week this month for various reasons. A lot of it had to do with time. But I probably would not repurchase these products again. If I still have them by the time my hair gets a little bit longer and starts to fall, maybe I'll try them again. But I have a feeling it is not going to give me the hold that I like. Okay, with all of that being said, like I said, I probably will not purchase these products again. The price point was a little too high for them not to work as good as I would like for them to work. So that's really it for this video. If you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you guys don't miss another upload. I'm going to get out of here. If you guys have any questions for me, please talk to me below in this video and I will answer them as quickly as I possibly can. You guys saw all of my social medias at the beginning. I'm trying to get a little bit more on Snapchat again. I just haven't been on in a while. I don't know. I don't have much to talk about. I don't do much. I don't know. So I'm going to get out of here. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.